In this video, let's talk about how to use Facebook without mobile data. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now there are two things that you can do in these situations. If you do want to completely avoid your mobile data, you can simply switch to your Wi-Fi network. But however, if you're trying to entirely avoid it, you would not have this option because Facebook normally runs on internet. But however, what you can do is make sure that the background data uses is restricted. So what you simply need to do is tap and hold the Facebook application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data users. And right here, you should be able to see the option called background data. Make sure you toggle this option off. What it does is simply removes any sort of data users in the background while you're using Facebook. So by doing this step, you should be able to consume less data. And apart from this, what you can also do is download the Facebook Lite version. This way as well, you would be able to consume less data. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to use Facebook without mobile data or with less mobile data. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.